Look at daughters, and also my bra. Dropping everything. Don't fall. Don't fall. Thank you. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany. My channel name is pronounced BRATTERSTEIN. Like that. If you have been here before, welcome back. Happy to have you. Always happy to have you. I have a few people who I see on every video and you know who you are and hello. And even if I don't know who you are and you're always here, hello. Even if it's only your second time back, hello. Hello to everyone. Hello to all. Please ignore the pink eyeshadow on my bedsheet. You'll probably see this in the next couple videos and you'll be able to tell that I don't wash my sheets nearly as much as I should. Kidding, sort of, not really. I am going to be filming a lot of videos before I get a chance to wash it, but that doesn't mean that I'm real good with the washing because of the laziness. But anyways, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, today's video is going to be my Sephora Vib haul. If you're familiar with Sephora, you might know that twice a year we get a VIB haul, which just means that if you have an account with them, you get a sale twice a year, which is great since Sephora never does sales. Well, I mean, they never do like big sales. Occasionally they'll have things in the sales section, but as far as like an overall sale, what are my banks doing? Ignore that. But as far as an overall sale, they just don't, it just doesn't happen, unfortunately, and I wish it did because then I wouldn't have to go so ham on the one time a year when they do it. So, since they don't always have the sale, I did go ham. And this video is going to be me going through it and showing you what I use my money on. Yeah. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put out new videos every week, and once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on whatever's hot. And also, it's a sad thing, but I'm going to tell you about it. Every time you watch a video without subscribing, this little guy right here, he cries a bit. So if you want to avoid making this sweet little creature cry, you should go ahead and give it a subscribe. This isn't a subscribe, this is a thumbs up, but you should do that as well. But make sure to subscribe to stop the little guy from crying and to help a small influencer out, because it is extremely helpful and necessary for that to happen in order for me to exist in anyone's life that isn't you. And anyways, I think it's time that we stop talking about it and start being about it. Are you catching what I'm throwing? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? I think we should go ahead and get into it is what I'm saying. You want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. If you would like to see all of the items I bought at the Sephora VIB sale, just keep on watching. Okay, so trying to figure out if there's a particular order I should do this in, but I think I'm just gonna grab and go. Grab and go. Let's go. Okay, so the first things I'm going to show you are for skincare. They are skincare items because I had to replenish my skincare collection because I was running low on everything. This came at the perfect timing. I just ran out of so many things, and the skincare brand I buy is expensive. It's like something I really splurge on, and it's made it so I don't have to wear foundation. So that's a giant plus for me because I hate foundation. I hate how it feels. I hate how it looks. I love so much more this kind of vibe than like a full coverage type situation. So I put money into my skincare, but I don't like to spend money. So as soon as there's a sale, I stock up so that I can continue using it but not have to spend quite as much. So the brand that I love is Drunk Elephant. This is one of the Drunk Elephant products I got. This is actually the box. The product is loose in the box right here. I have already used it. The stuff that I'd already used, I just like threw in the box and I kept all the boxes so that I could do this video. So this is the TLC This is the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. Why is it named that? Why does it have such a long name? I don't know, but this is a night serum that I absolutely love, but it's very, very expensive, and I ran out of this one. This is actually, I've been out of it for a little while, but I was waiting for a sale to repurchase it, and since it went on sale, I did purchase it, and I'm so happy to have it back. I use this every other night, not every night. It says you can use it every other night, I believe. Wait. You know, it doesn't say, but I use it every other night so that I can prolong having it because it's expensive, and I love it. Ever since I've done this routine, my skin has been looking a lot better, so I'm happy to have this back in my possession. The next Drunk Elephant item I picked up is this bad boy. I haven't opened this one yet because I have a little bit left in my other bottle, and this is their C Firma Day Serum. This stuff works so nice. Every time I use it, my skin looks nice, my makeup, my powders and stuff go really nice on top of it. The only thing about this that I don't love is that I watched the video and Jay Kissa said that it smelled like Lunchables ham to her. And now that's all I can smell. And I told my husband about it, and now that's all he can smell. So when I put it on, he calls it my ham serum. And then he calls me a little ham, like a little honey baked ham. I'm his small honey baked ham, which isn't the most flattering thing, but it's kind of cute. But ever since she said it, I can't stop smelling it. But I use it because it makes my skin look great and makeup looks great on top of it. The smell does kind of linger. It doesn't stay all day, but it stays longer than I wish it did. So that's the one downside. I wish it didn't smell like a ham, but I am a ham, so fitting. All right, and the last Drunk Elephant item I got is one of my favorites. This is their Proteini Polypeptide Cream. It is a daily moisturizer. I have used the one with the purple cap too. That's actually the one on my bathroom counter now that I'm finishing. It's almost completely gone. But this one I like a little bit better because it's lighter and I have oily skin. The other one's thicker. It feels like it's a luxurious cream. This is a little bit lighter, still really nice, still feels like you're putting silk on your skin, but I just prefer this one because it's a little less heavy and I don't like to feel things on my face, which is why I don't wear foundation or anything. So yeah. Okay, the next thing I see here is this guy right here. All right, this is from the brand Pharmacy and it's their Honey Butter Lip Balm. I don't think I love this. This one I've used quite a bit. It's already like, you know, misshapen, if you will, and I've been using it a lot, and I don't know, I actually feel like my lips have dried out since I started using this. It could just be bad timing because I've been in Vegas and I've been traveling and stuff, but I feel like my lips have been like crazy dry since introducing this into my routine. It's not doing anything to solve the problem. If anything, I think it might be making it worse. And then it's making me paranoid because of the Shane Dawson video where he said that they put tiny shards of glass in your chapstick and then it cuts your lips, and that's why they keep feeling chapped. I don't know if that's true, but I will say that this doesn't seem to be helping, so I won't repurchase it. The one that I love is from Jose Marin, which I was going to repurchase that, but I wanted to try this one because it was half the price. Big mistake. Huge. The Jose Marin one is amazing. It comes in like this little metal like octagon shape, and it's one of those lip plumping ones too, so it feels like you just ate some spicy jalapenos. And I love that feeling. So like all day your lips sort of feel a little spicy and like burny, and I don't know why, but I'm super into it. And it also moisturizes. So that's the one I love. This one not so much, but I bought it, so it's here. All right, now we'll get into a couple makeup items. All right, I got 2 liquid lipsticks from the Sephora collection. These are the Sephora cream lip stains. These are so underrated. I feel like when they first came out, people talked about them a lot, and I feel like people forget about what's good. These are such good liquid lipsticks, and I don't even like liquid lipsticks, but I like these liquid lipsticks. Okay, I got 2 shades. I got the shade 18 and I got the shade 19, and now that I'm looking at them here, wait a second. I already had the shade 18, so now I have a backup. But this red is gorgeous. I'm going to swatch them both. Let me show you. I'm not going to open the new one, but I'll swatch this one and I'll swatch the 19. Wait. Okay, so there is the shade 18 and there is the shade 19. Very pretty colors. They have such an interesting smell, and I can't peg it, but it's familiar to me from something in my childhood. I don't know what it is. If you have these and you figured it out, please let me know. But those are the 2 shades there. That red is super duper pretty. I wear it all the time actually because the formula on these isn't bad. So okay, when I say all the time, I don't mean all the time because like on an everyday I don't wear a liquid lipstick because of the comfort level. But if I'm going to a show, for example, which I do fairly often, a couple times a month, and I want to wear red, I always do a liquid lipstick because what if I get hit in the face? What if I get hit in the face? I would like my lipstick to stay on in the event that I get hit in the face or kicked in the face or, you know, anything like that. I like to have a liquid lipstick, and this is the one that I usually grab because it stays on well, it's comfortable, the red is pretty, kind of looks like the one I'm wearing now, but it's not. And I'm excited to have a purple one too because I like purples. Okay, the next thing I have that I just pulled out of the box, I have the box for, but I can't find the product, and it's bothering the hell out of me because I just bought this, and how did I lose it already? I don't know, but I've looked all around here and it is missing. I had it in my everyday makeup bag, but then when I went to Vegas, I took it out because it's a little bit of a bigger package and I wanted to use a different one that I'm going to show you in just a second. But this is the Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter, and this is in the shade Kitten. I went into Ulta, sorry Ulta, since I swatched it there, but I bought it at Sephora. I went into an Ulta and I was swatching highlighters with my husband. Like I had like, I don't know, way too many up and down my arm, and I showed him and I was like, which one do you think's the prettiest? And he chose this one and I chose this one. It's just like gorgeous. It's really glittery. It looks like the ColourPop On the Cusp highlighter that I love so much. If you haven't seen the video where I reviewed Kathleen Light's collection with them, I will put it up here. That highlighter is stunning, and this reminds me of that, but with a pink undertone instead of a beige undertone. And I wish I had it so I could swatch it for you, because it's literally like, bing! It's so bright and it's so pretty. And where is it? It's really gonna bother me if I can't find it, because I just bought it. Just bought it, 1 second. Yeah, I don't know, man. I can't find it. It sucks because I literally just used it when I filmed like 2 days ago. So it's in this room, it's just missing. Well, either way, there will be a video coming soon. I believe it's going to be after this one. Maybe before this one. If it's before, I'll link it, but I'm pretty sure it's coming after. Where I use it, it's a really bright pink winged out makeup look, which if you want to see that, you better subscribe, become part of the Brat Pack, and come watch it. But I use it and it's gorgeous. So, kitten, Heavenly Hue, Stila. All right, the next item I got for makeup. What? The next makeup item I got is this here. It's the Jouer Blush Bouquet. It's those blush trios. You've seen the blush trios here. Here's the product. It is the Jouer? Yes, I said that correctly. Jouer Blush Trio, and this is in the shade Adore. I swear to you, look at that. These are beautiful. I know in the pan it looks super light, but like that's what I want in a blush. I want to be able to build it up. That's what's on my cheeks right now. This pretty little cheek action here. This one is matte and this one has a cat hair on it. This one here is a little bit shimmery and this one is matte. I mix the two together and you can like pile it on and it blends out and it takes a while to build up. I have been using this one all the time. So often. I'm so happy to have these. They are worth the hype. Everyone was talking about it and I was like, Jouer, coupon codes, can you trust it? Yes, these. This one in particular. I don't know about the others, but this one is stunning and I want to get another one because I've been super duper into blush lately. Don't know why. Came out of nowhere, but this. Wait. This is very pretty. Very pretty indeed. All right, we're down to our last 2 items. Not 4, 2. And they are both from Hourglass. But as I'm not made of money, I want the little mini ones. So I could try them out first before I commit to that type of money, because I don't typically like to commit to that type of money. You know what I mean? But Hourglass interests me so much and I don't know why. Especially because, wait, I bought this forever ago. This is the Ambient Luminous Light Powder. And when I got this, I was so disappointed. I was like, everyone talks about how amazing this is. This is a bullshit highlighter, I'm not gonna lie. I still believe that. As a highlighter, I don't like it. I just recently started using it the way Jaclyn Hill suggests, where you just hit the apples of the cheeks after you're all done, and that's what's on top of that Jouer blush right there. And for that purpose, I love it. It's just like a finishing cheek powder. Beautiful. As a highlight, bullshit. So, I don't know why the brand itself still interests me so much, but it does. So here are the 2 little compacts I got. The packaging is a little bit different. It's like a lighter, bronzier sort of situation. Wait, let me show you. See? I don't know if it's the holiday packaging or if it's just their new packaging, but it's very cute. And I got an Ambient Lighting Blush and Luminous Flush, and that is this guy right here. I thought I would like this the best. I thought this was going to be the blush I was all about, but that Jouer one, I've been using more than this one. Not that I don't like it, just the Jouer one has been my addiction. And then I got the Ambient Bronzer in Luminous Bronze Light, and I have been using this every day. I don't know if I like it more than my Marc Jacobs Tantastic, but I've been using it a lot to try it. So either way, whether I like these more than the ones I normally use, I don't know. But I love the size because I can take these with me traveling, and I've been going places lately. I don't know what's going on. I don't understand, because I was never one to really go anywhere because I'm terrified of driving, flying, biking. I'm terrified of everything. But I am trying to get over my phobias, or at least just deal with them long enough to get places, because I have the worst wanderlust. The worst wanderlust. I just want to go. I just want to be everywhere. Every time I see pictures of people and places, I want to go. I don't have any urge to stay here, so I'm trying to just deal with it. I went to Seattle. By the way, update, I did fine. I didn't get too anxious. Everything went very well, and I'm already ready to go on my next trip. I need to get out of here. So, since I've been traveling, and since I plan to continue traveling, these little sizes are really, really good for me. And now, one last product to show you. It wasn't from the Sephora Vib haul, but it is something that I recently picked up that I am obsessed with and I feel like is worth mentioning. So let's just call this a product appreciation insert. And that product is this freaking Wet n Wild highlighter. Dude, this little, it's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Platinum Bar. It's from those like gold bars. There was one a long time ago everybody was obsessed with, and then it was gone. They brought back new shades, and I was at CVS and I grabbed this one. Where's the name? I ripped off the name sticker. Okay, well, it's the only one that looks like this. It's the white one. It looks white in the pan. I don't think I'm going to be able to let you see the reflect. Oh man, it's what's on my cheekbones. This lighting's not conducive. Wait, can you see it? Probably not. This shade is so pretty. I've been using this every day. I've used this highlighter, like you can even see I've only had it like a week. You see that little dent in there? Do you see the little, look at that little dent. I have used the crap out of this because I think it's stunning. I think it's super beautiful. Rub my finger in it. Rub it on my hand. Do you see what it's doing? Look at that. I mean, it's definitely a little of a more powdery formula, but once you spray down your face, oh my God, the glow. I am obsessed with this highlighter. And it looks white in the pan, which I was actually scared when I picked this one up. I was like, I'm not gonna like that because I like a warm highlight, but on the skin, see, it's got that kind of gold reflect. Very good job, Wet n Wild. I love this highlighter. And this one was $5 and my Heavenly Hue was like $40. I don't know. So it just goes to show you don't need to spend a lot of money to get something you like, because I'm obsessed with this one. I've been using this one over that one like every day. So, but anyways, guys, this is everything that I got in the I need to calm down. This is everything I got in the Sephora Vib sale. Go ahead. What's my problem? Go ahead and give me a comment down below and let me know if you picked anything up on the sale, or if you have any of these products and you like any of these products, or if you just want to say hi. Hi, hello, what's up? You. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can join the Brat Pack and make sure the sad, cute animals don't cry, and so you can be entered to win my giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers. And of course, what else? I don't know. I think that's all the shameless self-promo I'm going to do, unless you want to, of course, follow me on my other social media, which is right there for your liking. BRATTERSTEIN for makeup, BRATTERSTEIN is for my Instagram for makeup and for my Twitter, and then FATTERSTEIN is for my Instagram with fitness. Fitness for FATTERSTEIN, makeup for BRATTERSTEIN. And I guess that is everything. So I just want to thank you so much for hanging out with me. I always am super appreciative. Whenever I see your comments, I always comment back. I don't know if I guess you know that if you've left one. I always comment back because I am just very appreciative of you taking the time to hang out with me. I say it every time, but you could be anywhere and you choose to be here with me, and that's so rad to me. So thank you so much. And if you are still watching videos, why don't you click on one of these over here? These are videos I put up in the past, and if you click on my face over here, I'll take you to where you can subscribe to my channel so we can hang out all the time, because I think it's a good idea and I think you should do this. And okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.